With a vision to uplift sports culture at the region, KSA Students Association Tekelangjun branch initiated an inaugural ceremony of football knockout tournament at Chekso Langso LP School Playground, Malongari on 23rd October. The inaugural ceremony of the tournament was chaired by Joydas Terang, President, Tekelangjun KSA branch, Thansing Timung, President of KSA Central Executive Committee, Rostom Beg, KSA Organizing Secretary, Robin Killing, President of KSA Hauraghat Regional Committee, Dhoni Tokbi, Mandal, Amarjit Tiso, Secretary, Tekelangjun LEMS, Amarjit Ingti, Tekelangjun LEMS, and several important dignitaries of the region attended the inaugural ceremony. The initial match of the tournament was played between Kayamilur FC and Etpotaro FC. Throughout the match, due to the excellent skills and performance from both the teams, both managed to secure 2 goals each at the end of the match. Hence, to decide the winner of the tournament, a penalty shot out was made, where Etpotaro FC managed to bag the victory title of the match. Thansing Timung, President of KSA Students Association, while speaking to us, appreciated the collective effort made from KSA Tekelangjun branch and KSA Malongari branch in organizing football knockout tournament. He informed that the motive behind such tournament is to encourage and uplift the youth in excelling in the field of sports and to divert the concentrations of like-minded youths from any form of intoxicants. Such types of tournament aims to provide a platform and act as a ladder to all the talented youths in reaching at the national and international level.
Bilochally song pen lahai football tournament kipat thik punang kok bangalalo non risoi jang tumhan kipat thu anat langso se kipat chi hongji la pen risoi jang tumhan arakia hormu pen kipat tini aji phajin tum lahai football tournament itum kipat thik pondo athe non langdam platang te itum kipat thu pen da me penang an owe kimi tuma career ka chipa messenger son theklong iditum langdam potome mane athletic jose international level national level le dulu pote government be sewar side do mane football players mane cricketers to tame national international level le dulu potang te alang lituma career tame government support ki pido pick.
Samsing Ingtis reports from Dongmukak for KSA Live.